Okay guys, this is my ramp, and as you can see, if I try to put it in front of the car, it actually got stuck by the front bumper. So here's my solution. If this is the cheapest solution you can find for extend ramp. So my extend ramp is actually just a pile of papers, and I tie them up together like this. So I put a paper extension ramp in front of a wheel before the ramp like this. So as you can see, after I put the extension ramp, the car can actually goes up to the ramp without stuck in the front bumper. So now you can choose to keep rolling up, or I can just insert like hydraulic jack stand underneath. Okay, hope that helped you. See you.